Welcome to Shravashakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School, Malta online classes. I am Raut Manisha. I will teach you 3rd standard mathematics subject. In the previous lecture, we have learned the number before and the number after. In that lecture, we have learned how to read number strips, then just before number, just after number. Today, we will learn next topic of number words, the number before and the number after. In that topic, we learn some questions. See in book, first question. By how much is the next number bigger than the given number? To find answer of such question, we have carry out subtraction. Suppose, first of all, we draw line, means number strips 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. First, what is the given number? Which is the next number? See, 2 is the next number. 2 is how much? 2 is bigger than 1. How to find? For that, we subtract 1 from 2. 2 minus 1, we get which number? 2 minus 1, 1. Correct? Means 2 is bigger than 1 by 1. 2 is bigger than 1 by 1. Next, suppose 2 is the given number. What is the next number? 3 is the next number. How much 3 is bigger than 2? How to find? For that, we subtract 2 from 3. 3 minus 2, we get 1. Means 3 is bigger than 2 by 1. Then 3 is the given number. Okay. What is the next number? 4 is the next number. Correct. Then how much 4 bigger than 3? How to find? We subtract 3 from 4. 4 minus 3, we get 1. Means